Welcome to the project of Smart Irrigation System, in which the soil moisture will be controlled automatically by turning on or off the pump. This pump will pump the water into the farm when the soil moisture goes beyond the set level. To measure the soil moisture, this moisture sensor is used. This sensor will be inserted into the soil, and these two rods will detect the soil moisture. The corresponding value will be sent to the microcontroller from here. Here the soil moisture sensor provides analog output, which is given to the one of the pin of the microcontroller. Depending on the reading obtained from moisture sensor, the microcontroller will decide to when to turn on or off the pump. This pump is powered through this 9-volt battery, and here this relay acts as a switch to control the pump. Again, this is the control circuit in which the microcontroller Atmega 328 is here, which measures the moisture and controls the pump using this relay. This is the relay section. Now this pump is controlled using 9-volt battery, and this relay is also of 9 volt to control the pump. Here this is the 16:2 LCD module, which requires 5 volt, and the microcontroller also requires 5 volt. The moisture sensor also requires 5 volt. Now this 9-volt battery, another 9-volt battery is used to power up this circuitry. Now to get the 5-volt output from this 9-volt battery, this is the voltage regulator circuit is used. This one is the 5-volt voltage regulator 7805. It generates 5-volt output, and these two are the electrolytic capacitors used at both the ends of the voltage regulator. This one is the input capacitor, this one is the output capacitor. Both the capacitor act as a filter to remove the noise or generates the smooth output voltage. This generated 5 volt will be given to the microcontroller, LCD display, and moisture sensor. Here these are the components used to drive this relay or to turn on and off this relay. The first one, the black color component, is diode, then the resistor, then Zener diode, and here this one is the black color component is the transistor BC547. This one is the NPN transistor. Now this circuitry near to the microcontroller is the crystal oscillator circuitry. This silver color component is the quartz crystal, which generates the clock pulses for timing reference to the microcontroller, and these two are the ceramic disc capacitors. These capacitors and this crystal will form the crystal oscillator. It generates square wave and gives that square wave to the microcontroller. This one is the variable resistor, which is used to adjust the brightness of the 16:2 LCD display, and this one is the on-off switch.